Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:18 p.m. January 7th, 2021, Thursday. A little bit more of a calmer day compared to yesterday, I would say. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Yesterday, I did not do a video for two reasons. One, I had to just walk away. I had a really bad day. And it wasn't that I didn't want to do a video about that, but there was just so much negativity in the air with the DC rioting, presidential foolishness, the American people, you name it, etc., no matter what side you're on. I'm not going to get into all of that. I just thought that was a pretty miserable event and unfortunate event, of course. That was topped off with my terrible day of trading yesterday. And I just kind of had to walk away from the system. I actually closed my screens and walked away for the day. Today was a little bit better. And I was not excited to get back into the trading game today. I spectated a lot. And unfortunately, by spectating, what happens? The trades work and they move in your favor. And you watch it go and go and go and go and go. I did get off to an interesting start. I pretty much gotten into the most exciting player today. I actually saw this from my news source. Right before the market opened, I noticed DDD got this announcement of earnings and going forward numbers. And pre-market had some action. So I liked it over 14 at the opening. My first trade of the day, it was 14. It went to like 14.25, then went to like 14.12, 14.11. I got some off there. I only traded with like 300 shares. I'm like, this thing's going to go like 14.50 at most. What the heck? This thing just ripped and climbed and climbed and climbed with some minor pullbacks to 25.33. Eventually, it ran out of steam and pulled back, but still looped around. It got back to almost 23. It's now at 22 now. But the fact that I got 25 cents out of a 11-point move, I've been trading for, 8 months now. I figure I'd get over these little humps. I don't like to lose money, but I need to hold and not worry about this going down from 14 to like 13.92. I didn't think this was going to flush down and give me a rug pull or anything like that. It was kind of heavily traded, obviously, and it could have. But, being a spectator today after yesterday, it was definitely frustrating for me. The original call on Tesla, because I was looking at DDD, was 780 right through the opening. And if you go to like a 1-minute chart, I'll have to scroll over here. Create this move here, boom, just ripped, touch 780 here. You couldn't ask for a better, I'm sorry, it's not even 780. I think it was 778. You couldn't ask for a better, it was 780. Look, the high was 779.99. I was dealing with DDD and something else. It came up 780. Oh, just no pain, didn't look back. You're talking what? 36 points on Tesla. 36 points. You sense my frustration now. I know a lot of people didn't catch all that move and they didn't get in, or they got in late, or they sold too soon, all that stuff. I'm not saying I'm going to make 36 points on Tesla today. Even though I had 5 shares, though, 36 points. Left over. I was going to go in with 75 shares. Or 100, and probably after all these sales here, I'd probably have limited left. But it closed at the high of the day. It's now at 8.23 after hours. This market is sick, and what's going to happen is it's going to flip. And I'm hoping what I'm doing right now is going to work when the markets do flip, because I am working my butt off not to lose money, and I'm also working my butt off not to make any as well. Earnings are coming up pretty soon, and once that starts, I think we'll see some interesting plays come in, but it'll be a little bit more difficult. I just got to be aware, keep myself aware. Stocks like ROKU, right? 379, making all-time highs in after hours at 381. What is going on right now? Lemonade came in back in play, and I had like 10 chances of getting Lemonade here, but it was really choppy and spready, so it's probably not even a stock I should look for unless it's the first move, like a move through here, or even a move through 45. But even with the 45 level, you're squeezing down to 43 or 2 points. So with the style I'm trading, I can't trade that. Because I'm 100 shares is $200, and it just wouldn't really have worked out too well. I'm trying to think what else. I did have a decent trade on NCTY. It was crazy yesterday. I got caught in the halt here. It was interesting how I played out in the halt. I'm gonna go to 1 minute because that's how I played it. This candle here was the halting area. And my entry was, I think, 23. And it went up, it closed here, or halted here, and I was out with most of my shares because I'm like, I don't know what's going to happen after this halt. And it went up to like 24.50 or whatever it is, 24.30. Came down, flushed my entry, and I couldn't sell. And then I hit the sell button. I actually got a decent fill at 24 or 23, like 30. So I didn't lose on the trade. But then the next candle rips 3 or 4 points. Reached a high of 27.82 for my original entry. So I won 4.8 points. They don't teach you this in school. They don't teach you this, how to hold on and watch your risk management. I mean, look, I was trading a $23 stock and it's now at 15. Who knows what's going to happen? I know when things go against me, I need to get out. And when I get out, I have to be okay with it. And in this case, I was okay with it because I made a little bit of money on it. Actually made, what did I make on it? 177. But a 5-point move, 177. I forgot how many shares I traded with. I did trade plug. I only traded with 300 shares. So I traded DD with 300, NCTY with 300. I traded Fubo, I traded Mara. So Mara was another one. Early in the morning, big active play today through the 20 level. And it didn't work right away. So what do? Right through here, through 20, and actually ran up to 20.46. And I took a small loss on it. Just an unfortunate event. Well, that's 9.59, so that wasn't the trade. It was over here, I think. Yeah, through 20 right here. I got out on these two candles, and then it ripped up to 20.37. Small gains, but still, the trade worked. I just didn't hold on, and I took the loss. End of the day, FTFT. There's a call in the room through 470, I believe. 475 or something like that. And look at this thing. It just rips up to like $6. That's a huge move. The stock was up 38%. Well, right now it is, obviously. I don't know. Between yesterday's debacle and today's who knows what, I ended the day with $207, but still, I was so hesitant pressing the button. And then tomorrow I'll come in wanting to press the button and we'll get some kind of like crazy bad moves. Like they won't get the follow through. But I still got to press it. I do have to press it, and I plan to press it and not even think about it. Just get going. Don't think about the money. Just think about the trading well. I mean, there's a trade setup right here on this 1 minute. I mean, there's just trade setups everywhere, and I missed them all. And I won't even say I missed them all. I was definitely looking at too many things, and I was just told I'm looking at way too much. I need to limit my space. I need to figure out what I want to watch and stick to that and don't, overdo it, because by overdoing it, I am going to miss everything. So why not catch a few of the ones you're watching and miss some of the other ones, but at least you're catching the ones you're watching. Okay. So that pretty much wraps it up. Again, sorry about no video yesterday. Just a negative day. I didn't feel like it was a good day for a video. Today I feel better. I'll be better tomorrow, hopefully, and I will share with you what happened. You guys have a good one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video, and I'll talk to you then.